In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user story in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Jira account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Look towards the top of your screen and you'll find the Create button. This is where our journey begins. Click on Create to open up a new menu. In this menu, you'll find the option to choose a space. Selecting the correct space ensures that your user story is correctly organized within your project. Choose the space that aligns with your project goals. After selecting the space, it's time to focus on the work type. In this instance, click on Story since we are specifically creating a user story. This categorization helps your team understand the type of issue they're addressing. Next, you'll want to choose a status. This is particularly important for keeping your team updated on the progress of the user story. Remember to select a status that accurately reflects the current state of this task. Is it new? In progress? Maybe it's blocked by another task. Choose what's most applicable to your situation. Now, let's give your user story a summary. This brief overview acts like a title, offering a quick insight into what the user story entails. Keep it clear and concise. Once that's done, move on to the description. Here, you have the opportunity to dive deeper into the details. Specify the who, what, and why. A well-written description can make all the difference in ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Up next is setting a due date. By assigning a due date, you'll make sure that this task aligns with your overall project timeline. It's all about maintaining progress in a timely manner. Following the due date, it's time to choose a team. Select the team that will tackle this user story, ensuring they're informed and prepared for the task ahead. To further plan the chronology of tasks, select a start date. This will help manage expectations about when work should commence. In addition to start dates, sprints play a pivotal role in agile project management. Choose a sprint to which this user story will belong, aiding in agile planning. Don't forget attachments. If there are any supplementary materials or documents that would assist in the task, attach them here. This could include wireframes, mock-ups, or even notes from a recent meeting. Finally, click Create to save your user story. Once it's created, you have the option to view the story. This allows you to review all the details, make any necessary adjustments, and ensure everything's in order before your team dives into action. And that's it. You're now equipped to create user stories in Jira, streamlining your workflow and enhancing collaboration within your team. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.